first snow of winter. We got about an inch of snow last night, dusting, maybe an inch and a half, enough to cancel alternate side of the street parking, but not enough to cancel school. So the kids are getting their education today. But I'm psyched because today what I want to talk about is the protection I got down last weekend of mulched leaves, which is going to protect my garden beds for this winter, to make sure that they're keeping the nutrients and in a great position to grow next spring. But actually, before I get into that, I want to explain why I have the hat, sunglasses on today, and why I look like Jorah Mormont, Game of Thrones reference, fighting grayscale today. First off, it's not grayscale. That's the good news, and I will not be getting treatment from Samuel Tarley. But I did go to my dermatologist last week and got treatment, blue light photodynamic treatment for skin cancer. And basically what this treatment does is it treats pre-malignant and malignant skin cancer cells. Luckily in my case it's preventative, but skin cancer does run in my family, so it's a preventative measure. I get checked out annually, and this is my PSA for all gardeners out there. Get checked out from a dermatologist annually if you have skin cancer in your family, and also always wear a hat. You always see me wearing a hat, to baseball hat, to some other kind of ridiculous hat when I'm out here in the garden, because while we love the sun, we worship the sun as gardeners, it is also a powerful destructive force if you are overexposed to it. So get checked out, be careful with the sun out there. Now, back to the protection of your garden beds for winter. This is the first year I'm doing leaves, and I don't know why I didn't do it before. I've done tarps, I've done cover crops, I did winter rye, which worked well, but when I was researching this year, I put down the horse manure compost a few weeks ago. Check out the episode, horse manure pilgrimage. So, you know, after having this horse manure down, I don't want to lose all that nutrients with the rain and snow over the next 3 months. I want that nutrient locked in, and the way I'm doing it is I put down about 3 or 4 inches of mulched leaves. You can see some of them are fully formed, not even mulched out, but down underneath is the black gold horse manure compost. This will basically serve, you can see it's like already serving as a bed, keeping that compost warm, and this will be breaking down. This carbon rich cover will break down over the next 3 or 4 months to provide added nutrients for the spring when we start growing. So multiple benefits of going with leaves. A, it's natural. It's using a resource that would be going to the curb, so we're recycling and repurposing things to reutilize it for growing. And again, all it does is add more fuel for great nutrients for next spring. So 2 takeaways for today. Remember, protect your beds, use what's available, what's free. Leaves, take what's in nature and put it back in nature for further growing. And then also protect yourself out there. Enjoy the sun, love the sun, it's our solar power, but be careful and keep growing.